right, now let's start off with the first one. Let's break down 4. So how are we going to break down? When I need everyone's attention, let's break down 4. It's going to be what? 2 times 2. How do we break down 25? 5 times 5, right? Now, remember the goal is to make sure everything goes out at the bottom. You don't want to see a radical at the bottom. So this goes out, right? That's 5. And this goes out as what? 2. Right? And this is what? 5 over what? 2. Let's go to the next one. Being 2 over 5, yes. The top one, how do we break down 16? 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 6 times 6, right? This goes out as 4. And this one goes out as what? 6. Can we simplify? Yes. So this becomes what? By 2, right? By 2. And this is 2/3. Yes.
10 over 125.
10 over what? 125. Okay. So let's break this down. So how do we break down 10? So I'll say what? 2 times what? 5. So 125. How do I break down 125?
25 times 5.
25 times 5. So that would be 5 times 5 times 5. Did you see that? Now, let's see what I can cancel out. Look at this. Cancel each other out before you start seeing what goes out. Now, the top. Let's look at the bottom first. This 5 goes out as what? 5. The 2 on top. Can the 2 on top go out? No. So you got to stay under the radical, right? That's it. Let's go to the next one. Now, let's break down 15 and 16. So 15 is going to be, no, sorry, 5 and 16. This is 5, right? And 16 will be what? 4 times 4. 4 goes out, 4 times 4 goes out as what? 4. Can the 5 go out? Can the 5 go out on top? So it has to stay. Let's go to the next one. Let's do this one, then I'll take the next question. So the next one is 7, right? And this is what? 5 times 5, right? Can 7 go out? No, stay. Can 5 times 5 go out? Yes. It goes out as what? 5. Now, yes, next question. 8, 18. Radical, right? So let's break down 8. 8 is going to be what? 2 times 2 times 2. 18 is what? 3 times 3 times 2. Let's break it down all the way. It makes life so much easier. It's done, right? So now let's see what we can cancel out first. Cancel, right? And now let's see. This 2 goes out, right? And this 3 goes out. And that's your answer. Got it? Let's go to the next. All right. Let's go. Let's break this down. How do we break down 27?
9 times 3.
9 times 3. So 3 times 3 times 3, right? Which one?
The one you just did.
Which one?
8 over 2. Oh, wait, no, I typed it in wrong.
You typed in the wrong answer. Thank you. All right, so 5. This is 5, right? Now, look at this. Remember, the goal is to make sure there's no radical at the bottom. Now, look at this question. Is everything going to go out at the bottom?
No.
No.
You have to add a fact.
We have to multiply the bottom by what? 5. We have to give the bottom extra 5, right? And remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And now, let's see. Everything at the bottom goes out as what? 5. Now, let's see what goes out on top. 3 goes out. But can 3 and 5 go out?
No.
So they stay home as what? 15. And that's your answer. Let's go to the next one.
30 over 50.
30 over, you want me to change to 30 over 50? Okay, so let's change to 30. 50.
It's going to be like 10.
Let's break 30 down. So this is going to be
10 times
3, right? So this is going to be 2 times 3 10 times 10, all right? Times 10 times 5. So that's 30 times 3. 50. So 50 will be what? 2 times 5 times 5. Did you see that? Now let's see what we can cancel out. If
Five.
no, let's simplify the 2 first.
No, listen.
Now let's see. 5 goes out at the bottom. Can the 5 and 3 go out? No, so they stay as what? 15. And those two numbers can talk. You can't simplify 15 and 5 because one is inside and one is kind of what? Outside. Let's go to the next one now. Let's break this down. 2 on top, and the bottom we watch 2 times 2 times 2, right?
Yes.
Now let's simplify first. And technically there's 1 left on top. Now let's check me out. This goes out as what? 2. And what is radical 1? What is square root of 1? It's just 1. Am I making sense?
Yes.
You don't really have to put the 1 because look at this. If you say, look at this. So what is square root of 1?
1.
1. Let's go to the next one. This is what? 3, right?
Yeah.
This is
The
2.
bottom is 3 times. Oh, sorry.
Mhm.
3 times 2.
Okay, all right. 2 times 3, right? See, let's see. The 3 cancels out, right? There's nothing left on top. If there's nothing left on top, you put what? 1 outside. Now, the bottom. What is going to be at the bottom? The bottom?
2.
2. Can go out as 2. And that's your answer. Let's go to the next one. Now, this one comes with the variables. Let's break this down. This is going to take some time. Let's set it up. 5, right? And the bottom is what? 3 times 3. How many x do we have at the bottom? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's see. Don't forget the goal is to make sure everything goes out at the bottom. Before we continue, are you sure everything goes out? Is going to go out at the bottom? Check it. Let's see.
Yes.
3, 1, 2, x squared. Did you see that? The 5. Can the 5 go out?
No.
No, stays.
It doesn't go that side.
Now, let's look at this one. 7, 4 times 4, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I really have time to be doing this all the time? No. This is a waste of time, guys. So now let's see what goes out. 4 goes out, right? And now let's see how many groups of x can we make.
5.
5 of them, right? So x to the power of what? 5. 7 stays.
6.
Got it?
Yes.
Let's go to the next one. We're almost done. Let's see. The bottom is what? 5 times 5. The bottom is... Now, let's check 98.
49 times 2.
49 times 2. So, which is 7 times 7 times 2. The B is 1, 2. The C is C to the power of what? 8. Let's see. We're going to do the fast way. 5 goes out, right? 5 goes out. Now, let's see what goes out on the top. 7. Can the 2 go out?
No.
No. But can B go out?
Yes.
And how many groups of C can we make?
1.
Remember, this is 4. Sorry, this is 8. How many groups of 2 can we make from 8?
4.
4. C to the power of what? 4. So who is left under the radical?
2.
2. Let's see. 3 times 5 times 5. Let's break down the bottom. The bottom is 3 times 5 times 7. And now the, the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, and C. So now let's see what we can cancel out. Cancel out, cancel out. Guess what? This one cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. No. Okay, good. Cancel out. Now let's see what we are left with. Now we have 5, 1, 2, 3, and we have 7 C at the bottom. So now you can see we don't have enough 7 to go out at the bottom. Times 7 times 7. We don't have enough T times T times T. So now that makes the bottom 7 at the bottom, T at the bottom, and 7 times 5. Now let's see the top. X goes out, and 7 times 5 is 35. X, C.